I bet you did not know that nestled in the heart of Maharashtra lies a treasure trove of traditional craftsmanship and timeless beauty. The Kolhapuri Saaj Necklace, originating from the culturally rich city of Kolhapur, this iconic piece of jewelry has a story that spans centuries, and its charm has captivated generations. Each Saaj necklace is a masterpiece, meticulously handcrafted by skilled artisans who have inherited the art from their forefathers. But what makes the Kolhapuri Saaj truly special? Let's unravel the secrets and symbolism behind this enchanting piece. Did you know that the Saaj necklace is not just a piece of jewelry, but a symbol of marital bliss, traditionally worn by Maharashtrian brides? It signifies love, prosperity, and the eternal bond of marriage. Wearing the Kolhapuri Saaj on my wedding day felt like embracing the rich heritage of Maharashtra. It was not just an accessory, it was a symbol of my commitment and connection to tradition. The Saaj necklace is not confined to weddings alone. Its versatility allows it to be adorned on special occasions, cultural events, or simply as a statement piece, celebrating Maharashtrian heritage. Crafted from pure gold and adorned with vibrant gemstones, the Saaj necklace is a testament to the artisan's skill, passion, and dedication. Each piece tells a story, reflecting the artistry of Kolhapur. So the next time you admire a Kolhapuri Saaj necklace, remember that it carries more than just beauty. It carries the legacy of a rich cultural heritage. Buy this at Sri Mahaganapati Jewelers today. Discover the allure of tradition, embrace the elegance of craftsmanship, experience the magic of the Kolhapuri Saaj necklace.